In this video, we will look at some activities that follow our rainforest story. Cornflower rain in the forest. Once you have collected all your materials, you're ready. Pour your blue coloured water into the cornflower mixture. Remember, take your time and engage and respond with your child. Enjoy mixing and swirling the mixture. Take turns placing your hands. And when you're ready, let the drops fall onto the foil and the leaves. It's raining. Listen. It's raining in the rainforest. Markmaking. Once you have collected all your materials, you're ready to begin. Start by placing a piece of paper on a tray and pick up your bunch of leaves or herbs you've collected. Squeeze your paint onto a separate tray. Here we have green and orange. Now dip your bunch of collected leaves or herbs into the paint and enjoy making marks on the paper. Make eye contact with your child and have lots of fun together. Printing on paper. Once you have collected all your different materials, you're ready to begin. Start squeezing out your different coloured paint, and then place all the materials that you've collected, beads, leaves, bits of fruit. We have pasta here, and enjoy covering them all in paint. Explore the materials, and remember, it's not about the outcome, it's always about the engagement. Pick up another piece of paper, either black or white, and press it onto all the paint and materials in the tray. Press, and then observe the marks you make. Try another piece of paper. Celebrate your colourful prints. Wool string art. You'll need pieces of string and different coloured paints. Start by squeezing your paint and take your piece of string and dip it into the paint. Wipe off any excess paint with a piece of tissue. Then place your string into a folded piece of paper, making any shape you like. Press, leaving a piece of string showing at the bottom, and find a book or old magazine. Pull out your string and reveal your wonderful artwork. Let's try that again. You can use different coloured paints. Place your string and wipe off any of that excess paint with a piece of tissue. You can dab it as well. Place your string in a folded piece of paper and enjoy making a different shape this time. Leave the end showing. Press and place it in your book or magazine. Pull out the string and reveal your wonderful artwork. Well done. A Blue Morpho butterfly. For this activity, you'll need coffee filters, wooden pegs, food colouring, a straw or chopstick, kitchen towel and a tray. Start by making your blue-coloured water. You can ask your child to watch as it changes colour. Stir it with a chopstick, and when it's ready, take your coffee filter, place it in a tray, and use a spoon or pipette to transfer the coloured water onto the coffee filters. For this, you'll need to use your fine motor skills. Once you have covered 2 coffee filters with blue-coloured water, wait for them to dry. When dry, take your pegs and clip them together. 1, 2, and bring your butterfly to life. You can even use it to retell the Rainforest story. The marbled rainforest canopy. Once you have collected all your materials together, start by squirting shaving foam and cover the surface of your tray. Make sure you cover the whole surface. Next, pour green and yellow food colours all over the shaving foam, as you see here in the video. Remember, take your time and engage with your child as much as you can. Then, take a chopstick or straw and mix the food colouring and the shaving foam together. Add more colour as needed. Have fun mixing. Once everything is mixed, take a piece of paper and press onto your slushy surface. Pull it away, then wipe or scrape away all the shaving foam. Congratulations! You've made a fabulous marbled rainforest print.